Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about vowels and consonants. In English, we have 26 alphabets which are divided into two groups, vowels and consonants. So what are vowels? Vowels are the letters. Vowels comes from the Latin language, Latin word which means sound. So these alphabets in general, all the alphabets produce the sound, but here the voice, the air is not blocked in these alphabets, like A, E, I, O, U. Our lips are not coming together, they are not closing, and the air is not blocked. But whereas in consonants, when we pronounce these, when we sound them, these are the speech sound. When we say them, either our lips are going to close, touch each other, or the teeth or tongue or palate, we block these things blocks the air flow. Okay, for example, B. Here we are saying, when we are saying B, our lips are joined together. T, air is braked and our palate is also touched by the tongue. Okay, so these are the vowels and consonants. Now comes to the articles. What are articles? Articles are the words or letters which we put them before the noun. Okay, now a, an and the are the articles in English which comes before the nouns. These three are divided into two groups. One is the definite article and the other one is the indefinite article and definite article. So now definite article, indefinite article, a or an is called the indefinite article. Why? Because when we talk about something in particular, something which we don't know, the identity of the person or the thing is not known, in like a common noun, when we use a common noun like doctor, teacher, student, boy, we use articles which are indefinite, that is a or an. Okay, now the definite article. Definite article means which define when the identity of the person or the subject, which thing which we know, we are talking about a particular person, like we talk about Rajesh. Okay, and we know about his dog. Okay, so the dog Rajesh brought bites me. So here we know the dog. Whose dog it is? Rajesh dog. So here we are saying the dog. We are not saying a dog bites me, because if we are saying a dog bite me, then the identity of the dog is not known, but we know the dog, that it belongs to Rajesh, right? So the dog that bites me ran away, if we say. So we know the identity of the dog. Okay, here we are speaking about the specific dog. Okay, now when we use a or an, which are the indefinite articles, for example, a is generally used in consonants before the word starting with consonants, whereas an is used before the word starting with vowels, a, e, I, o, u. Okay, for example, an apple, an eraser, an umbrella. When the words begin with consonants, we use a. Example, a man, a lamp, a cat, etc. Hope you have understood what are the vowels, consonants, and what are articles. Okay, thank you, students.